All right, so we just got to Riverplace Nature Trail. It's probably one of the most difficult trails here in Austin, as Travis had already mentioned. So we're pretty excited and we're about to start.
So we definitely think this is going to be
The hardest trail we are starting in
that we've ever done. It's supposed to be like 3 hours round trip there and back. And the way there right now is downhill. So that means the way back is going to be uphill. It's going to be tough. Yeah. And of course, if you're ever doing serious hiking, make sure you're wearing flip-flops. This is why you wear the flops. All-terrain vehicle. Get your toes nice and cold in the stream. Refreshing.